Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat Spotlight videos not uploading. Step 1, check your internet connection. Test your internet speed. Use a speed test tool to ensure you have at least a 5 Mbps upload speed for smooth video uploads. Switch networks. Restart your router. Move closer to the router. Step 2, restart the Snapchat application. Sometimes restarting Snapchat can fix temporary glitches. Close the Snapchat application completely, reopen the app, and try uploading your Spotlight video again. Step 3, check Snapchat server status. Snapchat servers may be down, preventing video uploads. Visit a website like Down Detector to check if Snapchat is experiencing server issues. If the servers are down, wait for Snapchat to resolve the issue and try again later. Step 4, update the Snapchat application. Outdated versions of Snapchat can cause upload issues. Open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Snapchat and check if an update is available. Install the update and restart the application. Now, clear Snapchat cache. Open Snapchat. You can long press the Snapchat, go to App Info, go to Storage Usage, and then click Clear Cache. Last, you need to simply reinstall Snapchat. If none of the above steps work, reinstalling Snapchat can resolve deeper software issues. Uninstall Snapchat from your device, restart your device, reinstall Snapchat from the App Store or Google Play Store, log in and try uploading your Spotlight video. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.